Hi Bubu. Where do you live? Tell me about your home.
Home is where the heart is, Cloudie. It is the place where we feel safe and loved.
That is so wonderful. Let us explore different homes around the world together. Look at this beautiful house. Many families live in houses like this one. Houses have rooms, doors, and windows.
Yes. And I see there is a beautiful garden around it. Gardens help families grow food and enjoy nature.
Perfect. Homes are special places where families live together and create wonderful memories. Wow Bubu, look at this tall building. It is an apartment building. Many families live inside it, all stacked high.
So many windows. Can we count them together? Let us see how many families might live here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. Each window is a home for a different family living close together as neighbors.
Oh, how beautiful. This is a cottage by the beach. It is such a cozy little home right next to the ocean.
Yes. I love being near the water. I can feel the sea breeze coming into our home. It smells fresh and salty.
A beach cottage is the perfect home. It is small, warm, and we can listen to the waves every day.
Welcome to the farm. This is a farmhouse with a big barn. Farm homes need lots of space for animals and crops.
Look at all the chickens and cows. They live here too. A farm home is home for so many animals.
That is right. Farmers work hard to care for their animals and grow food. The farmhouse is the center of everything. Bubu, this is a houseboat. It is a home that floats on the water. People live on boats in some parts of the world.
Wow! People really live on boats? That is so cool. Their home can move and sail through the water.
Yes. Houseboats have everything like a regular home. They have bedrooms, kitchens, and they can travel to different places. Look Bubu. Homes are so different all around the world.
Wow! An igloo is so cool. And in other places, people live in teepees made of wooden poles and animal skins.
And many families live in traditional houses made of wood, stone, or clay. Every home is special and unique. Bubu, we have learned so much. But do you know what makes a home truly special?
Is it the building? The shape? Or the size?
No Bubu. A home is where family and love live. It is where we feel safe and happy together.
You are right, Cloudie. Every home in the world is unique and wonderful because it is filled with people we love.
Oh no! There are so many toys scattered everywhere. How will I ever organize all of this by myself? This is too much work for one bunny. I feel so overwhelmed right now.
Hi, Bunny. We see you are trying to organize all these toys. Do you need some help?
Yes. We can all work together as a team. Teamwork makes the dream work. Really? You will both help me? That would be wonderful. Let us start organizing together. Great idea. Let us divide the tasks so we can work faster together.
I will sort all the blocks into the blue container.
And I will organize the dolls on the shelf. Bunny, you can arrange the books. Good job organizing those dolls, Cloudie. This teamwork is amazing.
Working together makes everything so much faster and more fun.
Yes. When we help each other, we can do anything. We are an amazing team. Wow! We are almost done already. Working together makes the job so much faster.
You are right, Bunny. With all three of us helping, we finished in no time.
Teamwork makes everything better. This was fun and we did such a great job together. Look at our beautiful toy room. We did it together.
This would have taken so long if we did it alone. Teamwork is amazing.
Together we achieved our goal. Let us always work as a team. Working together was so much fun. We finished so much faster than if we worked alone.
Yes. Each of us did different things, and together we made something wonderful.
I learned that when we all work together, we are stronger and can do amazing things. Remember, when friends work together as a team, they can accomplish amazing things. And the best part is that working together makes everything more fun and exciting. Hello, Bubu. What a beautiful sunny day in the park.
Hi, Cloudie. Yes, it is wonderful. Say, what does kindness really mean?
That is a great question. Let us find out together by looking around.
Oh no! I can see our friend needs help. Let me pick up those dropped flowers right away.
Wow! Bubu, you showed kindness by helping when someone needed it. That is what kindness means.
Kindness means caring for others, listening carefully, and showing we care through helpful actions.
Hello there, friend. I see you are sitting alone. May I sit with you? Would you like to tell me what is making you sad? I am here to listen.
Oh. Cloudie is listening carefully to help our friend feel better. That is kindness. Oh no. Our friend looks very hungry. I have some snacks in my bag. Here, please have some.
How wonderful, Bubu. Sharing your snacks shows you care about others. That is true kindness.
Kindness means helping others, listening to them, and showing we care through small gestures.
Oh no! Look over there. Our friend is carrying so many books. They look like they need help.
You are right, Cloudie. Let us go and help them carry those books together.
Together, we can make helping others easier and more fun.
Cloudie, I want to tell you something. You are such a wonderful friend. You always care about others and help everyone around you.
Oh, Bubu. Thank you so much. Your kind words make me feel so happy and special. You know what? Compliments and kind words
Yes.
are kindness too.
Small gestures like hugs and kind words can make the whole day better for someone we care about.
Look, Bubu, our friend over there is sitting alone. They look sad.
Yes, I see them. Let us go sit with them and make them feel welcome.
That is so kind of you, Bubu. Being kind means including others and making them feel cared for. We did it. Our friend is smiling and happy now. Kindness truly makes everyone feel better.
And when we spread kindness, the world becomes brighter and more beautiful for everyone around us.